Hello YouTube, another amazing product, and this is the USB wireless adapter, the Nano USB wireless adapter. And this thing I ordered from gearbest.com, and this comes with a very nice packing, very shiny, and currently this thing is on sale and I purchased in $3. So guys, $3 is a very good price for this cheap Wi-Fi USB adapter. So the speed is 150 Mbps and it will support USB 2.0 and all these kind of features, and is a 2.4 gigahertz. So let me check and I will test this product on my laptop, and I will show you guys how to work and how to configure this small device with your laptop or with your computer. So let me open the pack. So for this I need a scissor, and because there is a CD inside for the driver, so we have to be very careful while we are cutting this. Okay, I think that much enough. So now I think I can remove this small device. Very small, very tiny. See, it's a cute little CD as a driver, and this is the device. Oh, very lightweight. So get rid of this plastic you don't need. Just throw it somewhere. See guys, now see, focus. Very small device, see, 802.11n. so this is an N series. It will give you very good range, and this is the CD. So now we'll not waste more time, and I will show you how to connect this thing with your laptop. So I'll be back guys. Hello, hi guys. So now I'm here to check. See, this is the small thing, the wireless USB device, and I will connect this thing in my laptop. But before, I will show you, because there is a built-in Wi-Fi inside in this laptop, and is also a very good, but I will show you the speed of that current Wi-Fi. You can just have a look, and you can see some zoom. So guys, you can have a look. Only 1 bar is coming. See, currently it's showing only 1 bar, because I placed the access point little bit far just to check this product. Now I'm disabling the built-in Wi-Fi. Just see, only 1 bar is coming. Just take a closer look. Only 1 bar. So now what I am doing, I'm going to disable the Wi-Fi. Now here you can see better picture. This is my Wi-Fi CID2, and it's not in this room, it's far away. So you can have a look. Only 2 bars are coming, 1 or 2 bars are coming, but it's connected. And let me disable the Wi-Fi. Yes, so now the Wi-Fi is disabled. Yes, so now guys, no more built-in Wi-Fi. Now I will place this small thing, the wireless USB card, and let me zoom out. This is my new camera, RX100 Sony, And after placing this thing, this is not a plug and play device, so what you need a driver CD. So place the CD, see, and then okay, and then you have to wait. So now I will show you the screen, guys. Then you have to open this window and I will show you close look. Yes guys, once you open, two folder will come, and then EU, just double click RTL, and then you select Windows, and then just running the setup. I'm running the setup. Yes, it's loading, the setup is loading. Yes, and then you have to click next, next, still loading the file. Yes, it's running. So now you can see, guys, this is the driver is just loading, still the process is running, and here this is a small device. The USB Nano wireless USB adapter it's not a plug and play. Again, I'm telling you, the guys, this thing is not a plug and play. If you think you can connect and it will work, no, you need a proper driver. So don't throw the CD. This is a very important CD. It's very difficult to find driver online, you know, if you lose the original one. And now installing the Realtek wireless driver. See, yes, so now there is a success, and then still finding the driver. This process needs some time, but I'm showing you the real thing, not recording, so you guys will come to know about the real speed of this device, you know. Still doing some installation. Let me close this window. Yes. Oh, so now I will restart my computer. I want to restart. I will restart my computer later, man. Hello guys, now I'm back because I have to restart my computer, and you can have a look. It is there, and just have a look, guys. Now you can see 3 bars are coming CID2. This is my wireless connection, and you can see it's much better than the built-in wireless in this laptop. So this small device simply give you good speed, you know, especially for your wireless signal. And you can see 3-4 bars are coming. And let me connect, and now it's asking for the password. So let me put my password, guys, and you will see. And yes, it's connected, see. It's working, and you guys can have a look. Just check the speed. All 4 bars are coming. Just have a look again. I will show you guys. I will move a little bit near. Yes, see. So this is the picture after the connection, and it's connected, and the built-in one is disabled. So this is a good speed for this. And let me check the speed of my connection. So I will load YouTube, and oh, that's nice. And I will run some of my videos just to see. Yeah, see, this is my channel. Please subscribe my channel if you want such kind of good videos.
Hey, it's Thomas DeLauer here.
Yeah, see, so it's working fine. And see, this all 4 bars are coming.
Intermittent fasting is a diet pattern where you strategically go
And
for a
let me
period of
check
not eating to a specific
from the
within the day.
speed.
When you're in the middle of
Let me run the speed test. Speed test. Go. So guys, wow. Oh my god, this is very good speed. Let's have a look. .6 MB, because currently I'm using this my 3G data, and this is not a very fast internet connection. This is only a 3G internet connection, but it show me 2.65 MB. So here you can see this is the speed. Download 2.65 and upload 1.29. That is the maximum speed of my connection which I'm getting from this small device. So I hope you like the review, and this is currently available on gearbest.com only in $3. Thanks for watching, guys. See you.